Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube not downloading. So if you have something like YouTube Premium in which you're able to download videos, and let's say you selected a couple videos to download, but then you head out and the next time you check your phone, you discover that it wasn't actually successfully downloaded. Well, there's a very good possibility that the reason why that is not working is because you have not enabled your iPhone to download using your carrier's data, and it only will download using Wi-Fi. So let me go ahead and show you how to change this so that way whether you're on Wi-Fi or whether you are using your carrier's data, it is going to work. So the first thing that we want to do from the phone here is tap on our icon, okay, to bring up this menu here. And then from here, you're gonna wanna go to your settings. And then once you are inside your settings, you wanna go to where it says background and downloads. I'll select this, and then here's the important part. It says download over Wi-Fi only. Most likely, if you have just signed up for YouTube Premium, this is toggled on, and it's only going to download videos if you're on Wi-Fi. But as soon as you leave the house or something and you're now on data, then it will stop that download. So you want to make sure that if this is on, you toggle it off, right? And it's as simple as that. If that doesn't work, then it could be a different issue. Perhaps maybe for some reason your YouTube Premium isn't working, right? But this is the simplest way to fix this. Let me know if it helped in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to give you an update if I find something better. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.